Hey guys, Dan Roe here at Pleasureland RV, and today I want to show you the 2020 Thor Hurricane 33X. Let's have a look around. First of all, I'd like to point out a couple of things with your outside TV and sound bar. Also is equipped with an armless awning or LED light up top. Side hinging cargo doors with a rotocast interior for ease of access, and they are all lit. The Hurricane also has side cameras, heated mirrors, a one-piece windshield, so you'll have more storage on the driver's side as well. So this unit also has heated holding tanks as well as a heated and enclosed underbelly for extended stay camping. It's also equipped with an Onan 5500 watt gen, 5,000 pound tow rating. You also have a quick connect LP for your grill. Also right here, your coach batteries, 2 standard, and your hydraulic pump for your leveling jacks and easy access. And then also a pet tie down or whatever you want to tie down. Also more storage here as well. Let's take a look inside. Located right here on the entry steps, you have a little convenient tool drawer. As you walk in, right to your left, you'll have your battery disconnect. It's prepped for solar power with a solar power controller, if you wanted to add that. And then your 1800 watt power inverter to run your fridge and your TV in the coach while you're going down the road. As you walk in on your right, you've got a jackknife sofa, as well as 3 seat belts for passengers. And then your captain chairs up front with this removable table, so when you have guests, you have more places to sit and converse. So also above the cab, you have your bunk area, which can sleep 2 adults comfortably, or can also work as a secure place to put things that you don't want bothered. Here's your boot dinette, and that's a Dream dinette with the easy drop down. You have plug-ins available there, and your 43-inch TV. The kitchen is equipped with solid surface countertops, a flush mount 3-burner cooktop with oven, and a convection microwave. Stainless steel refrigerator, residential, with an ice maker. And that'll run off the inverter as you're traveling down the road. In the master bedroom, another flat screen TV, plenty of wardrobe space. And this is also equipped with a washer and dryer prep, so if you wanted to add a stackable, you can do that. King bed is standard on the Hurricane. More wardrobe space. USB ports on both sides of the bed. Moving into the bathroom, foot flush porcelain toilet. As well as a very good size neo-angle shower. Alright, right here you have your 5-inch touchscreen control center. Your auto gen. You can dim lights, all your HVAC settings, and this can all be downloaded through an app to your phone. Alright, you've seen the inside and the outside. Let's see how this thing handles on the road. So in the cab here, you have all your controls for generator, your front sunshade, cab light, passenger fan, and driver's fan. Over here you have your one-touch auto level, as well as your heated mirrors and a spot for your phone. You also have your passenger workstation. All right, let's take this for a cruise. So cruising down the road in this Ford V10 chassis, as you can tell, nice smooth ride, very quiet, and plenty of horsepower. This coach is also equipped with another safety feature with both right and left side cameras, so you can see your blind spot when you're going down the road. Wow, what a great drive. Hope you enjoy as much as I did. Thanks for watching this video. Come check it out for yourself or look us up online at pleasurelandrv.com.